In this Python programming solutions video, we will understand the answer for the assignment type C, question number 9 of chapter 2 named Python Revision Tour-2 of CBSE Class 12 Computer Science book by Sumita Arora. Let's have a look at the question first. Create a dictionary whose keys are month names and whose values are the number of days in the corresponding months. Ask the user to enter a month name and use the dictionary to tell them how many days are in the month. Print out all of the keys in alphabetical order. Print out all of the months with 31 days. Print out the key value pairs sorted by the number of days in each month. If you want, you can pause this video here, try to attempt this problem on your own, and then come back to this video to see the solution. Okay, so let's begin. Year is equal to curly brackets January 31 February 28 March 31 April 30 May 31 June 30 July 31 August 31 September 30 October 31 November 30 December 31 So first thing we do is create a dictionary called year with month names as the keys and the number of days in the months as the respective values. Month is equal to input enter a month name Then we ask for a month name whose days are to be checked and store this input in the variable month. Num underscore days is equal to year square bracket month. Next we find out the number of days in the entered month by checking the key in the dictionary to get its value and store it in the variable num underscore days. Print the number of days in month are num underscore days. Then we print and desired the number of days in the month that we have input. Sorted underscore keys is equal to sorted year dot keys, bracket open. Moving on to the part B of the question. Next, we use the keys method of dictionaries to get all the keys of the dictionary and apply the built-in function sorted on it to sort all the keys in alphabetical order and store this in the variable sorted underscore keys. Print the keys in alphabetical order are sorted underscore keys. Then we print these keys in the desired order. Print the months with 31 days are next. For part C, we start with a print statement to show the months with 31 days. For I in year, we write a for loop to iterate over all the keys of the dictionary. If year square bracket I equals 31 and check for the condition whether a particular key has the value of 31. Print I, comma, and is equal to. And if it is true, then we print the month name. We have added the end argument with the space to the print function so that the month names meeting the condition are printed in the same line and not in separate lines. Print. Next, we add a blank print statement as the previous print has an end argument. So, if we do not add this, then print following this will display the output in the previous line. So, putting this print statement allows the further prints to be displayed in the next line. Now, moving on to the part B to print out the key value pairs sorted by the number of days in each month. Sorted underscore values is equal to sorted year dot items bracket close comma key is equal to lambda d colon d square bracket 1. For getting the key value pairs, we use the items method of dictionaries and apply the sorted function on it to sort it. Notice that we have used the key argument of the sorted function here because we have to sort the key value pairs on the basis of the number of days in each month. For the value to this argument, we have used the lambda anonymous function here so that for a given pair of key value pairs from items, it would sort based on the index 1, which is the value of the dictionary. And since we needed it to be sorted based on the number of days in a month, which are the values in our given dictionary, it was perfectly here to store this in a variable called sorted underscore values. Print the sorted key value pairs are as under. Next is a print statement for the sorted key value pairs. For pairs in sorted underscore values colon enter print pairs. Now we loop over the sorted underscore values and print them one by one to get the desired output. Now let's run the code. and we enter the month name as October. There's an error because sorted keys is defined. Let's go back. It says here sorted here dot keys. It should be dot keys. So now let's run this again and enter the month as October. And we see that we get all our desired outputs. We can test this again for another month. So if we run the program again, and this time enter the month name as April, and again we'll see that the correct output is displayed as desired. Thus we have verified that our code is correct and working. That's all for this video. Thanks for watching it. If the solution is not clear to you, you can watch this video again. After that, if you still have some confusion or query, leave a comment below with your question. If you are looking for the answer of some particular Python problem, please feel free to mention the same in the comments below. And if possible, we will try to post a video with the solution for the same. If you want us to keep posting more such videos, please subscribe to our channel, like this video, share it with others, and do let us know in the comment section below. Thank you.